in the learning of print function and its attribute series. In last video, I have explained the attribute and equal double quote open double quote close. This is called print and wait. I have given a suitable programming code. If you have still any doubt, write it in your comment. And student, now we are going to learn our second attribute, which is sep. Sep is separator, but you have to write it in small letter. It is a keyword also. So what is use of sep? Student, suppose you have three variable A, variable B, variable C. These all variable containing 5, 10, 15. And student, if you are writing print A, B, C, so it will print value of A, B, C, value of A, output of this program. Output of this program will produce output, and at the time of output, value of A, which is 5, comma means next value will print here, and B means 10, and comma means here it will print C means 50. So output of this 4 line is 5. Student, a very common question of board examination which is related to sep. I have seen many times. Just note it. And in the board exam question, these 3 line is common, and after that here the 4th line is print A, B, C, sep equal double quote close and a bracket. A, B, C, sep equal double quote close. And here a symbol, for example a dollar symbol is here. So always it say find the output, these 3 line and this line. Print. So student, here you have to know what is sep. Sep means separate. Before sep keyword, whatever keyword variables are available, whatever values you are printing, it will print as the normal prints, but sep will make a different changes that it separate their values. This sep separate their values means of these variables with this symbol which is available in double quote mark. Here no separator, so 5, 10, 15 is normally printed. But here A, B, C, sep dollar. It means value of A, which is 5, it will print. Value of B, which is 10, it will print. Value of C, which is 15, it will also print. But the sep equal dollar sign will make a changes that dollar sign will separate 2 values, and here also a separate symbol which is available as a dollar. So output of this will 5, 10, 15 as value of their variables, but with the help of sep, separator is there, so the values will separated with this one. I hope student you have now learned the attributes of print function and sep. Student, one again I am going to give example. Write it. 3 line, then this line, output is this. 3 line, this line, and output is this. Please make sure you have written it. Now next example. Here a simple programming code A, B, C, D equal 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is example of multiple assignment. Yes student, if you are not aware about multiple assignment, in my playlist there is a multiple assignment. Just watch that video and your doubt will clear. So 5 will store in A, 6 will store in B, 7 will store in C and 8 will store in D. Next line is print A, B, C, D, comma, set equal in the double quote mark close and a normal symbol, it is comma. This comma is available in double quote mark. So student, suppose you have written only this part A, B, C, A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, D and then a bracket is closed. Just suppose ki bracket is closed here. So output of this program will 5, which is value of A, value of B is 6, value of C is 7 and value of D is 8. This output will off till this point if bracket will close here. But in our program, see very carefully. In our program, what we have written, bracket is closed here and here you can find a sep keyword which will separate the values of these variables with this symbol, and this symbol is what? A comma symbol. So again value of A, it is 5, value of B, it is 6, value of C, it is 7, value of D, it is 8. It will print, but it will also print the value of separator, and separator is comma, and it will use in after every variable's value 5, 6, 7, comma. Yes student, so this comma is coming from this one which is set. And student, go through this video, all things very clear. Like my channel, subscribe and please share the videos to your friends. Thank you, good luck.